Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace. You may recognize this video from when I redid my craft room a couple months ago, but since I am hard at work on my Foundations Revealed outfit, I don't have time to make anything else. So I thought I would just separate this video out as a separate tutorial just in case you actually need to follow it, so you don't have to go wading through that other longer video. So I hope this is helpful for you, and if you have any questions, just let me know, but otherwise, let's get into it. My husband got it, gosh, like 8 years ago, and it has seen some things. It barely has a pad left. I've basically had to tape it to the frame to keep the fabric in place. So we are going to completely recover it. We're gonna take everything off and redo it, and I'm gonna show you how. Start by laying out your fabric and removing any string or elastic from the old cover. Lay it out as flat as possible and pin, taking extra care around the curves. Then mark out a 3-inch allowance from the edge of the old ironing cover and cut that out.
Do the exact same thing to your batting, but only measure 1 inch instead of 3. I'm using 2 layers of a 100% cotton batting from Warm & Natural. Remember to only use natural materials for this project, since the iron can melt synthetics.
Next up is the drawstring casing. I folded over and ironed a 1/2 inch all the way around the piece, kind of pleating around the curves to make sure it laid flat. Once again, I folded over and ironed, this time 1 inch, then sewed all the way around again, making sure to sew only on the inside edge to leave room for the drawstring to go through.
You can see that I snipped about a 1/2 inch line at the widest end of the ironing board cover, then overlock stitched around it to reinforce it.
This is where the string will feed through. I didn't love the white legs of the ironing board. They were old and dinged up and kind of gross, so I decided to paint them black. To prep for this process, clean the frame off with mineral spirits to remove any debris that could stop the paint from sticking. Then paint in short, even strokes. Make sure you don't spray too long or the paint will run. Let that cure for about 24 hours, and then you're ready to put your board back together. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, let me know down below and I will do my best to answer them for you. But until then, thanks so much and I will see you next time.